Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about total quality management, or TQM, and its importance in organizations aiming for continuous improvement and long-term success. So what exactly is TQM? It's a comprehensive approach to improving the quality of products, services, and processes within an organization. TQM involves everyone in the organization, every employee, from top management to the frontline workers, actively participating in making improvements. It's about embedding a culture of continuous improvement where the focus is on delivering value and exceeding customer expectations at all levels. Now let's look at some key principles of TQM that make it effective. Customer focus. TQM starts with understanding customer needs. By focusing on the customer, organizations can ensure they deliver products and services that meet or exceed expectations. Employee involvement. Every employee should feel empowered to contribute to quality improvement. TQM values the insights and contributions of workers at every level, from decision makers to the people doing the work. Process approach. TQM encourages organizations to look at processes and not just outcomes. It's about optimizing how work is done, identifying inefficiencies, and creating standardized procedures that result in consistent quality. Continuous improvement. Also known as Kaizen, this principle emphasizes that quality improvement is ongoing. There's always room for improvement, and TQM advocates for consistently analyzing performance and making incremental adjustments. Data-driven decision-making. TQM is grounded in facts and data. Organizations collect data to analyze performance, identify areas for improvement, and make informed decisions based on evidence rather than assumptions. The benefits of implementing TQM are numerous. For starters, it leads to higher quality products and services, which directly results in greater customer satisfaction. TQM also fosters a culture of collaboration and teamwork, as everyone works together to improve processes. Additionally, businesses see cost reductions by identifying waste and inefficiencies, which can lead to increased profitability in the long run. But most importantly, TQM helps organizations build a sustainable competitive advantage. By continuously improving and meeting customer expectations, a company can set itself apart in a crowded market. In conclusion, total quality management is about building a culture of quality in every aspect of an organization. By focusing on the customer, engaging employees, optimizing processes, and committing to continuous improvement, businesses can achieve exceptional results and long-term success.